Why does my phone keep saying no SIM card? And any tips on how to fix no SIM card error on Android? Okay, let's dive in for more details. Part 1. How to fix no SIM card error on Android with 15 solutions. Method 1. Restart your Android phone. Method 2. Adjust the SIM card. Method 3. Activate SIM card. Method 4. Change network mode to auto. Method 5. Enable network APN settings. Method 6. Reinsert your SIM card and battery. Method 7. Clear the cache data. Method 8. Enable airplane mode. Method 9. Use safe mode. Method 10. Ensure to have a valid IMEI number. Method 11. Choose network operator. Method 12. Replace your SIM card. Method 13. Reset network settings. Method 14. Try SIM card on any other phone. Method 15. Factory reset Android phone. Part 2. Fix phone says no SIM card on Android when system crashed. Android Repair is worth trying because it's an Android mobile repair expert. As a leader in the industry, it can easily settle almost all problems related to the Android system in a short time. Install utility, select System Repair, connect Android via USB, click Android Repair, start, proceed with device info, select Download mode, follow DFU mode instructions, click Next for firmware download, verify and repair Android, resolve issue, and resume phone use.